Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching in Cycle Hub. In this video, we are discussing economics assignments of NIOS. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments and in PDF and in handwritten form. If you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can contact on this number on WhatsApp. And now the question number second is saying that how far non-economic factors are responsible for creating hurdles in the way of making the Indian economy as a developed country. Elaborate the statement. So this is the question, and the second one is compare the basis of allocation of resources in the capitalist economic system and the planned economic system. So this is the second question of this assignment. If you need answer of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of subject answer, not for this only. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.